Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be taking you step by step on how to download the Etoro wallet app in this tutorial. Start by opening the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type in Etoro wallet. Then tap on search. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon, then let it begin downloading. Tap on open once the download is completed. Now you can sign in with the email and password you used to create your account or register for a new account as instructed by the application to use this app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.